Here we have this stunning 2014 Holden Commodore Calais in silver, immaculate condition, looks absolutely stunning. Tyres and wheels almost brand new, immaculate inside and out, as you can see. Incredible luxurious leather trim, electric seats, everything you'd expect from a Calais. Loads of technology, fantastic multi-function colour screen, Bluetooth stereo, cup holders there, traction control. Looks absolutely amazing inside. In the back, incredible trim as well, leather, loads of space. Looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see, very well looked after. Incredible. Looks amazing, drives great. Come and check it out.